Welcome back, guys. So this time we are at Vanlife Eats up in Basingstoke. I think this is our 3rd year here at the event. It's a great event, really popular, and it's fully sold out this year. Plenty going on already. This is on the Friday. Party really gets going later on and then into tomorrow.
Thank you very, very much for coming to year 4 now, Vanlife Eats. But she's over there, she does most of the hard work. She does though. I just come up with these crazy ideas.
I'm on strike this year.
All it ever was meant to be was, let's cook for some YouTubers, and we thought we'll hire a field and we'll get some YouTubers in and we'll cook a nice meal and make a video for it, and that was all it was ever meant to be. But then, well, let's put on a massive food festival for everyone who's interested in van life and food, and they are the 2 best things in the world, right? We've got cooking demos. We've got Kwoklyn Wan, our celebrity chef. He's going to be doing some filming. I hope you're all hungry. Cool, thank you very much.
Good morning, folks. Well, it is Saturday. Great evening last night. Neil from Urban Vanlife did an amazing job in the tent with the music. We're just having some breakfast. The weather's not the best at the moment. It is raining, but the rain will clear through by about lunchtime, 1 o'clock. So once it does, we'll head outside. Till then, we've got the F1 to watch. All right, well, it's time for some food, and today we're going for Hungry Bear. We're going to have the pulled pork bun. Can we have 3 of the pulled pork buns, please?
Yes, good choice.
So here we go then. This is what we've got.
go.
That looks spot on. We're going to tuck in.
She was an ex-police riot bus, the old Bill. She took me to 25 countries. We drove the Wild Atlantic Way, the Adriatic Highway, crossed the Carpathian Mountains and the Alps, both in the winter, parked on the Black Sea coast and visited foreign wars.
He's the only one that made your way.
They were dealing with their worries. Yeah, they were. I asked them to set it into Vanlife. Yeah, that's the Yeah, you want to go get drinks?
I'm gonna be the man who's gonna rescue you.
Good morning, folks. Well, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. The sky's blue. Lots of people are out already. Time to get down to Roma and get ourselves a coffee.
So once these are cooked, we're going to chop them into bite-sized pieces for you guys so you can try them, and then we'll pour the satay sauce over the top.
So it's kind of, sometimes you can get it sort of like, replication.
Time to try the chicken now. Well, we've come back to the van after a great morning. The sun's been out, it's been really glorious. We went down to see the man with the wok food demonstration this morning, and as it would happen, we're now back at the van. We're cooking. And he's got the chicken on the go, with teriyaki sauce for the chicken. We've got a bit of sweet chili and garlic to go with the mushrooms, and we've got noodles. That's going to be lovely. It's all coming together nicely. Noodles are on the go, on a bit of a slope, unfortunately, so he does keep trying to dive off, and then the chicken's coming on really well as well. That's looking really good. Can look forward to eating that in a minute. Good morning, folks. Well, that's it for another year. Vanlife Eats is over. I want to say a big thank you to Mark and Sophie for putting on the event. It was an absolutely epic event, even better than last year, and we will be back next year. If you do have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget the like button, also don't forget the subscribe button, the notification bell to hear when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.